Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from eBay to Shopify, or how you can import eBay listings or your eBay listings to Shopify. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial, and it's going to be a quick tutorial, of course. Before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial, and let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to your own Shopify store and click on settings, log in into your Shopify dashboard, and click on settings at the very bottom left. Now after that, guys, you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now it's going to take you guys to your Shopify App Store here, and then you want to download this app. It's called Robo. Okay, this app will help you, for example, dropship from eBay to Shopify, or import products from eBay to Shopify. Now you can import your own listings or other people's listings. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how you can use the app in a few seconds. Now you will just need to click on Robo Product Importer, click on it, and then click on install. Okay, after, guys, you install the app, as you can see, it will take you guys to this page. Just confirm, just click again on install, and that's all you need to do, guys. Okay, so after, guys, you click on install, it's going to take you guys directly to this page to confirm. Keep in mind, this only offers 3 days free trial, so after 3 days it's going to charge your credit card $6, because this is like the price of the subscription. As you can see, $6 every month. But keep in mind that after you use the app for 3 days, if you don't like it, just make sure you remove the app from your own Shopify store. Now how you can do that? It's very easy. Just click on settings and then click on apps and sales channels, and then after that you will be able to find here the app, and then click on three little dots, click on uninstall the app. Just remove the app from the apps. Okay, now after, guys, you remove it, then it's not going to charge your card, just in case you don't like it, the app. Okay, so sorry, I'm going to go back. Click again on settings at the very bottom, click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on the app. Okay, after that you want to click on open app. Okay, now after that it's going to take you guys to this page. Now you just need to click on approve. As you can see, like I said, 3 days free trial ending on December 24. Click on approve, and it's going to take you guys directly to their website so that you can download an extension that will help you import products. Okay, so it says here, install our free Chrome extension. Click on get extensions here, and it's going to take you guys directly to Chrome web store to download this extension. Click on add to Chrome, and then you want to click on add extensions. Okay, so after, guys, you click on add the extension, make sure you pin the extension in the top. Okay, you want to click on extensions icon here, and then click on, as you can see, the extension here, click on pin. Okay, this pin icon. Now after that you want to go to eBay and find any listing or any product you want to import to your own Shopify store, and you can import it. For example, I am going to import, let's just an example, let's import this chair, okay, product. As you can see, you can easily import this like listing or other people's listing. If you want to import your own products to Shopify, you just need to click on your name in the top left, and then click on the username, and it's going to take you guys to your eBay store so that you can choose any product. Now you just need to open the product page. As you can see, after you are on the product page, then you want to click on the extension in the top right, which is the extension you downloaded, and then click on add to Shopify, and it's going to take you guys directly to Shopify so that you can push this product to your own Shopify store. Okay, now it's going to take you guys to this page. Now as you can see, you can make some changes to the title before pushing this product to your own Shopify store. For example, you can change the title, you can make it a little bit smaller, because like smaller titles do well on eBay, on Shopify, I'm sorry. So it's always better to come up with shorter titles or small titles on Shopify, like with more like as you can see here, this home chair, desk like chair, as you can see. Now you can just make it shorter if you want. Okay, so here it says, as you can see, the vendor here is eBay. You can change the price. For example, you can change the price, you can increase the price a little bit. For example, I'm going to increase it to $100. Okay, you can also change the compare price and weight, quantity. You can make multiple changes. If you click here on description, you will be able also to make some changes to the description. Okay, now if you click, for example, on images, you can then select how many images you want to import to your own Shopify. Now I would like to import all the pictures that come up with this product. I'm going to import like 6 pictures, as you can see. After that, you want to click on import and click on add to Shopify, and this exact product is going to be imported into your Shopify store. If you go now to your Shopify, I'm going to log in into my Shopify store, and I'm going to find this product and click on it, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, I'm going to click on products, and this is the chair that we have imported from eBay. Click on this eye icon, and it's going to take you guys directly to the product page. As you can see, I charge now $100 for this product. As you can see, this is the title. It's shorter and unique. As you can see, you can make some changes to, for example, description. You can also add the reviews if you want. I made multiple videos about how you can add the reviews to your own Shopify store. Now, if you have any questions, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. I make multiple videos about all I do on this channel is making videos specifically about eBay and Shopify. You can add, for example, affiliate program to your own Shopify store. As you can see, I made like a lot of videos. You can check them on my channel. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next tutorial, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you guys next video.